Embark on an extraordinary journey to the Amazonian Highlands, where the echoes of ancient paths beckon the adventurous spirit. This mesmerizing destination offers an unparalleled blend of ecological wonders, rich cultural heritage, and breathtaking landscapes. As you traverse the lush trails, you'll encounter a diverse array of wildlife, from vibrant parrots to elusive jaguars, each contributing to the region's unique biodiversity. This natural haven is not just a sanctuary for wildlife, but also home to indigenous communities who have preserved their traditions for centuries. Engage with local guides who share their ancestral knowledge, offering insights into the intricate balance of life in these highlands. The cultural tapestry is further enriched by vibrant festivals and traditional crafts that provide a deeper understanding of the local way of life. No visit is complete without savoring the local cuisine, where flavors burst forth from dishes crafted with fresh, native ingredients. From river-fresh fish to exotic fruits, the culinary experience is a journey in itself. The Amazonian Highlands promise an unforgettable adventure, a place where nature and culture intertwine, offering travelers a chance to reconnect with the world in its purest form.